Hello everyone, Jack here, and today we're going to do a tutorial about loading the Arduino bootloader to the Papilio Duo without using an external programmer. We're going to use a tool called HappyJTAG2, which emulates a JTAG ICE MK2 programmer. So to get started, you want to open Papilio Design Lab and find the Papilio_Duo_HappyJTAG2 project. Then we're going to open the sketch folder. And in the sketch folder, let's go ahead and open up the Xilinx ISE project. Then let's just take a quick look at the schematic. It's very simple. All it's doing is it's connecting the JTAG pins from the FT2232H chip to the JTAG pins of the ATmega chip. So this is already synthesized. Let's go ahead and get out here and let's go to where it's been synthesized, which is the duo_lx9 folder. And we're going to, first of all, actually make sure that the Papilio is plugged in. So we got the prototype Papilio Duo here, and you want to, first of all, make sure that the FPGA power is selected with that jumper, and then plug into the mini USB connector, and then make sure it comes up. Okay, and now we can double click on the bit file. And we want to make sure this is going to SPI flash. Okay, now go back up and go into the HappyJTAG2 folder, and you want to run HappyJTAG2. Make sure you run it as administrator. Okay, if you have a 64-bit version of Windows, this is going to come up. Just hit no. Okay, now you want to make sure that you are on dual HSB. It will come up on A by default. Change it to B, and then it should read the signature of the ATmega 32U4. It should be direct COM4 port emulation, so it's acting like a JTAG ICE Mark II device connected to COM4. So now, if we load up AVR Studio 4, we can go to Tools, Program AVR, Connect, and then we want to choose the JTAG ICE MK4, and we want to choose COM4. And actually, let's while we do this, let's bring up HappyJTAG and see if we can see. You do not want to upgrade the firmware. Okay. So if you go to main, make sure you've selected the ATmega 32U4 and then JTAG mode, and then you should be able to read signature. If all goes well, we should see, here, let's close this and make it half screen. Okay, that way we can show both things happening at once. So let's go back to Tools, Program AVR, Connect, JTAG ICE COM4, no upgrade, and let's read the signature. So now we should see this start flashing. It's acting as an emulator, and it pulled the correct JTAG ID. So now we can go to Program, and you can find the Arduino bootloader by going into the Design Lab directory and then find the hardware Arduino bootloaders Catarina, and then Catarina-Leonardo.hex is the correct bootloader. So now we can hit Program, and it should start. You should see the activity now. So it's currently flashing the Leonardo bootloader to the device without any kind of external hardware. Okay, and it has successfully flashed and verified the hex file. So let's put it to the test. We want to open up the device manager, and under ports we do not see the Leonardo. So let's go ahead and move this over here, and we need to go back to our video, and the next thing we want to do is plug in the micro USB port, which is the USB port for the Leonardo, or for the HappyJTAG2 Okay, and when we do that, we now see it show up. Now if we close this, I believe that will put it into bootloader. So yeah, we see it go to the bootloader for 8 seconds, and then it should go to back to the Leonardo. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy it is to load the Arduino bootloader to the HappyJTAG2 U4 chip on the Papilio Duo.